Best large and mid-cap funds to invest in 2022. In this video, we are going to provide insights about some of the mutual funds whose market cap majorly resides with large and mid-cap. Please watch the video till end to get to know about all hidden insights about each mutual funds and the ways to choose the best one. Okay, the first mutual fund that we are going to see is Axis Growth Opportunities Fund. Current NAV of this fund is 19.16 and the expected returns is 19.17%. It holds around 88 companies and it comes under the benchmark Nifty Large Cap Mid Cap 250 TRI. And the age of the fund is 3 years and 9 months and the size of the fund is 7,211 crores. Standard deviation seems to be a bit high and it is 20.62. Alpha seems to be good and it is 6.5. It should be greater than 1. Beta also seems to be good and it is 0.87 and it should be less than 1. Yeah. Sharpie and Sortino are low but close to 1. It should be greater than 1, but here in this case they are 0.79 and 0.94. Overall rating to this fund after accumulating all the performance indicators is 3.5 out of 5. Why the reason 1.5 rating has been reduced is due to risk factor. The second mutual fund that we are going to see is Mirae Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund. Current NAV is 95.76 and the expected returns is 22.31%. It holds around 71 companies and it also comes under the benchmark Nifty Large Mid Cap 250 TRI. And the age of the fund is 9 years and 6 months, quite old. The size of the fund is 21,389 crores. Standard deviation seems to be a bit high and it is 22.34. Alpha seems to be good and it is 4.6. Beta value is 1, seems to be volatile. Sharpie and Sortino are a bit low, 0.71 and 0.77. Overall rating to this fund is 3 out of 5. A special note is high risk, high returns, but that doesn't last for a while. The third fund that we are going to see is Canara Robeco Emerging Equities Fund. Current NAV is 160.97 and the expected returns is 20.25%. It holds around 58 companies and the benchmark is same. And the age of the fund is also same, 9 years and 6 months. The size of the fund is 13,024 crores. Standard deviation bit high, 21.34. Alpha seems to be good and it is 3.5 but low when compared to all the previous funds. Beta is 0.96, which is also considered to be volatile as it is close to 1. Sharpie and Sortino are very low, 0.65 and 0.70. The overall rating of the fund is 3 out of 5. Special note, it's not that you can blindly choose a fund that holds more companies. It's that whether they are quality enough to provide stabilized returns. The fourth fund that we are going to see is Sundaram Large and Mid Cap Fund. Current NAV is 52.83 and the expected return is 13.89%. It holds around 73 companies. The benchmark is same and the age exceeds 10 years. Size of the fund is 4,726. Standard deviation is very high. It is 23.01. Alpha seems to be fair and it is close to 1.65. Beta exceeds 1, highly volatile to the market. Sharpie and Sortino are very low, 0.57 and 0.60. The overall rating to this fund is 2.75 out of 5. Special note, one has to take a look at the performance indicators into consideration before choosing a mutual fund. You shouldn't focus only on the percentage alone, you should also choose the performance indicator as well. The fifth fund that we are going to see is Kotak Equity Opportunities Fund. Current NAV is 199.587, highest of all previous funds that we have seen. Expected return is 15.38%. It holds around 58 companies, benchmark is same, and the age exceeds 10 years. Fund size is 9,410 crores. Standard deviation bit high and it is 20.87. Alpha seems to be good, it is 2.67. Beta less than 1 and it is 0.92. Sharpie and Sortino are a bit low, 0.63 and 0.60. Overall rating to this fund is 3.25 out of 5. Special note, aged fund usually have multiple experiences, so it is better to note down the aged fund metrics for comparison with new funds that has same set of companies and benchmark. The last fund that we are going to see is Invesco India Growth Opportunities Fund. Current NAV is 52.72. Expected return is 15.11%. Holds around 58 companies. Benchmark and the age are same. Fund size is 3,502 crores. Standard deviation is a bit high, 20.80. Alpha is in negative, so which means like it downperformed the benchmark. Beta less than 1 and it is 0.91. Sharpie and Sortino are very low, 0.47 and 0.49. overall rating to this fund is 2.5 out of 5. So if you take a look at these funds, all the funds seems to be with the same benchmark and holding more or less similar companies, but choosing the best is what matters. On seeing this, we can clearly say that Axis Growth Opportunities Fund wins the rating, but we can see that all other funds other than Axis are aged funds. So what we can predict is this too will fall under these metrics when it attains this age, but with some improvement in all metrics as because it holds more companies when compared to others, only if the extra companies perform well in their own business. I hope you all have got better understanding about these funds. Stay subscribed and notified for more data.